Hey, good morning. You're welcome to the time out here. The time to pray. That's what we got to do every 5 minutes to noon, West African time, every work day. And thanks for joining us. In a few weeks, we're going to be 1 year. We started all of this on February 15th. And just about 2 more weeks from now, it's going to be 1 year doing this. And it's been a continuous string to the glory of God. It's been to the glory of God. Only God could have done it. We like was I said from the very beginning, it's been our faith work to do it. I just believe the Lord wanted me to do it, and I started. And here we are, 1 year. Right? It's been God all the way. Thank you. Thanks to everyone that started with me. Thanks for everyone that's continuing. Thanks. You make it all possible. Thanks for believing in me. Thanks for believing in the grace of God over my head, over my life. And I hope you've been blessed also. I have been tremendous blessing, being a big blessing for all the other things I get to do other than this. Time to truly pray deep. And so if no other one is getting blessed, I am getting blessed. Maybe I'm just the only reason why God wanted me to do this, and that is enough. That is more than enough. It's helped me, it's carried me this 1 year. And I've done a lot in just 1 year. Wow. And I couldn't have done it without praying, you know? Just like Martin Luther would say, I'm so busy, I gotta pray. I'm so busy, I need this prayer. It makes all the difference for me, right? It's helped me build in latitude, build depth, right? I'm doing things I've not done before, and I'm going places I've not been before. And I just need prayer to guide me, to carry me. And that's been what this has been for me. I don't know what it's been for you, but feel free if you want to show me what it's been for you. But for me, that's what it's been. And I need this. It's helped me. So I'm grateful to God that I'm getting to do this. I have the privilege of doing this.